Do you need a simple and organized way to manage your tasks and projects? If your answer is yes, then this Task Tracker Spreadsheet may be perfect for you. In this video, I will show you how this template works and how you can use it to track your tasks, follow deadlines, and monitor your progress. And if you want to get this spreadsheet, just click in the link in the video description. So let's get started. When you download this model, you'll see a dashboard at the top and right below the space where you can register your tasks. The spreadsheet comes ready for up to 300 tasks, but you can expand the list if you need more. Each task includes task name, category, priority, deadline, days left or late, status, and observations. The columns days left or late and status contain formulas, so you should not edit these cells manually. You can create and customize up to 10 different categories. Just open the Categories tab and edit the list. These categories will appear in the drop-down menu when you register your tasks. For each task, you can set the priority level, urgent, high, medium, or low. Then add the due date. The spreadsheet automatically calculates how many days are left and shows the current status: complete, not initiated, in progress, or late. The status updates based on the current date. When you finish a task, just check the box on the left side. The spreadsheet will update the progress and the dashboard instantly. As you add tasks, the dashboard at the top will give you a clear summary of everything. You'll see today's date, a chart showing the numbers of the task per category, a chart showing tasks per priority, a chart with the percent of tasks by status, a chart showing the overall completion percentage, and on the right side, you have the count of total tasks, completed tasks, overdue tasks, and pending tasks. Everything updates automatically. If you want to print your task list, the spreadsheet is already formatted for A4 paper. And if you don't have Microsoft Excel, this product also includes a Google Sheets version. It works the same way and has the same features. The spreadsheet is 100% editable, so you can customize anything you want. You only need basic knowledge of Excel formulas and charts. So this is the Task Tracker Spreadsheet, a simple and effective tool to manage personal tasks and even projects in your company. If you want to get this template, just click the link in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.